wabarakatuh. My name is Nurfarhan Natasha binti Hussein. I'm from KBA 2495C. Today I would like to present about Fintech. What is Fintech? Fintech is combination between financial and technology that seeks to improve and automate the delivery and use of the financial services. Malaysian banks are assisted by Bank Negara Malaysia (BNM), and as a result, most of the banks have embraced fintech and other digital tools required by such financial institutions to devise a digital platform for their customer. For example, Islamic Bank in Malaysia adopted advanced technology support from the Southeast Asian region. Why should we implement fintech in Islamic finance? The industry is huge. One driving factor is that many traditional banks are supporters and adopters of the technology, which is actively investing in acquiring or partnering with fintech startups because it is easier to give digitally minded customers what they want, while also moving the industry forward and staying relevant. Islamic fintech focus on delivering financial products, services, and investment that comply with Sharia-taught innovation solution. With roughly 1,400 Islamic financial institutions now operating across 80 countries. The prospect of Islamic fintech are enticing. In the last few years, the number of Islamic fintech that has steadily increased from 160 in 2017 to 136 in 2019. I would like to introduce the country that use the Islamic fintech. The main Islamic fintech hub are Indonesia, Malaysia, and the UAE, the United Kingdom, and the United States. Spread across major sectors such as digital banking, P2P, which is peer-to-peer finance, and crowdfunding, payments and remittance, trade and personal finance, wealth management, and blockchain. It is likely this number will continue rise as more Islamic finance institutions begin to undergo digital transformation and look to fintech for partnerships. Islamic fintech represent the next wave of growth in Islamic finance. Most of Islamic fintech are currently in their initial stage, tackling the challenges of financial inequality, exclusion, or bad customer experience while facing and growing a 18 billion people opportunity. Most Malaysians open-minded toward fintech. However, 74% of them still have doubts about the conducting certain transactions via technology device. Thus, the usage of fintech become unfamiliar and not fully utilized by the most customers. The fintech example such as crowdsourcing platform, blockchain and cryptocurrency, mobile payments, insurance, robo-advising, and stock trading application, and also budgeting applications. However, fintech initiatives taken by international Islamic financial institutions. Malaysia houses numerous international Islamic finance bodies that strive to further improve the Islamic finance ecosystem locally and globally. They include the Islamic Financial Service Board, which is ISB, and a standard-setting organization that promotes and enhance the stability of the Islamic financial services industry. and International Islamic Liquidity Management Corporation, which is IILM, an institution that offers and facilitates effective cross-border Sharia-compliant liquidity management solutions. Bank Negara has set up the International Center for Education in Islamic Finance, which is INSIF, to develop human capital for the global Islamic finance industry, as well as the International Sharia Research Academy for Islamic Research, which is ISROC, and Islamic finance and Sharia-related research institutions. In addition, crowdfunding and P2P financing provide the platform for musyarakah and mudarabah based equity financing, which have not been very successful in the traditional IFIS environments. Prior to 2016, Fintech in Islamic finance was mainly in the form of crowdfunding platform. A few remarkable achievements were recorded in 2016, such as introduction of an Islamic robo-advisor and Islamic account platform, which is IAP. There are also other fintech initiatives that in Islamic finance that were either launched or announced in 2016, such as the Islamic Fintech Alliance, which is IFT Alliance, Islamic Hub, and Islamic Peer-to-Peer Financing. The rest of this section shall address each for this initiative. There is a few fintech initiatives taken by Islamic institutions in Malaysia. The sandbox, which is structured by Bank Negara Malaysia, allow BNM to introduce the new fintech in a controlled live market environment with specific parameters addressing specific consumer needs with specific deliverable and timelines. BNM is clear that a sandbox cannot be used in a circumstance any of the existing law and regulations under its administration. Fintech is already being adopted by several Islamic banks in its operation. One good example in the investment account platform, which is IAP, which provides an online investment platform to secure funding for projects linking individuals, companies, and rating agencies. The IAP, Malaysia's first multi-bank platform for financial intermediation in the Islamic financial system, was launched on 17 February 2016 by a consortium of 6 Malaysian Islamic banks, which is Bank Islam, Bank Muamalat, Afin Islamic, Maybank Islamic, Bank Bersama Rakyat, and Bank Simpanan Nasional. Other than that, 8 Islamic crowdfunding platforms operate from across the globe launched the Islamic Fintech Alliance, which is IFT Alliance, on the 1st April 2016 in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. The founding members are Blossom Finance, Easy Up, Sport, Nawi, Funding Lab, Capital Boost, Launch Good, and Scholar Fund. The alliance has the following 3 primary objectives, which is foster safety and trust by establishing, promoting, and enforcing shared standards for Islamic finance, broaden the reach of Sharia and social impact financial technology by supporting a network of innovators, and support the development of a sustainable global ecosystem by interfacing and providing industry insights. Okay, next we will proceed to the last section, which is a future of fintech. Fintechs disrupt as well as create opportunities for Islamic finance. On the consumer side, fintech innovation provide choice which more aligned to individual needs. With more options, consumer enjoys more competitive financial service costs. Elimination of credit intermediaries have resulted in lower price or higher potential returns. Fintech companies are transforming the financial service sector, proving new and better products for consumers and forever changing the future of finance. As for the conclusions, the fintech penetration in Islamic finance is still in its infancy stage. However, the future looks promising. Major indicators for the positive outlook include growing awareness among the stakeholders, encouragement from monetary authorities, and facilitative regulatory environments in key Islamic financial markets. Other supportive elements from the broader fintech ecosystem, customer demands, and a largely untapped potential market, Islamic fintech is gaining the attention of many nations, from both an Islamic and non-Islamic. Among other things, Islamic fintech helps propagate fintech opportunities, allows for business inclusivity, and offers some needed stability in time of uncertainty. So that's all from me. I hope you guys enjoy and understand the videos. Thank you.